Hey everyone, Rihanna here from Imagination Storytime. In celebration of National Aviation Day, we're soaring to new heights with a captivating journey into the world of aircraft. What's Inside? Planes by David West isn't just a story, it's a visual treat, beautifully designed and illustrated to capture the magic of flight. As we delve in, let us remember the pioneers of aviation, the inventors, dreamers, and adventurers who took to the skies and made our dreams of flight a reality. Now buckle up and prepare for takeoff as we begin our reading of What's Inside? Planes. Contents: the first planes, flying boats, bombers, supersonic planes, jet airliners, glossary and index. The first planes. The first planes were covered in fabric. Most had 2 pairs of wings. Like the Fokker DR-1. You see the wings located at the top, and the engine and the propeller are in the front. Next are flying boats. Flying boats could land and take off on water. They could fly across oceans. Like the Boeing 314. Notice the pilot at the top and the engine right behind him, and the tail in the back? How about the people are below the pilot? That's different. Bombers. Bombers have 4 or more engines. They carry bombs during war. Like the B-17 Flying Fortress. Notice the pilots in the front and the engine below them and the tail fin in the back? What else do you notice about the people on the Flying Fortress? Supersonic planes. Supersonic planes are the fastest in the world. They go faster than the speed of sound. Like the Bell X-1. Notice the wing on the side and the tail fin in the back and the rocket engine in the very back? Notice how there's only one pilot? I wonder why. Last, we have jet airliners. Most people travel by jet airliners. Some airliners carry 850 people. Like the Falcon 8X. It has its wings on the side, it's got 2 large engines in the back, and a tail fin on the top. Pretty sure this is how you've traveled if you've ever gone on a plane. Last is the glossary. The engine, a machine that makes something move. Fabric, a woven or knitted material. Pair, 2 things that are the same and used together. Supersonic, faster than the speed of sound, which is 761 miles per hour or 1,225 kilometers per hour. That's the end. As we touch down from our adventure through the world of What's Inside Planes, I hope your imagination soared and your appreciation for the marvel of aviation deepened. David West's illustrations and stories remind us of the wonders above and the dreams that keep propelling us forward. This National Aviation Day, let's carry the spirit of flight with us, always looking upwards and beyond. Thank you for joining this storytime journey. Until we fly again, keep your dreams sky high. Bye, everyone.